Hi, this is swathiramya, Assistant Professor, SNS College of Engineering. In this video, we are going to discuss about the physical design of IoT. In the previous video, we were discussing about the different interfaces in IoT, and the last video also we were discussing about the different layers, what all the responsibility of those layers, and we were discussing link layer, which will be responsible for the physical transmission of data, what kind of network we are going to use, what kind of medium, physical medium of transfer will be, what all the protocols we are going to use in the IoT will be has been discussed. In the network layer, what how to address, what protocol is used for addressing and routing the data packets, and we were going for the transport layer, how the end-to-end message transfer has been done, what kind of connection has been used, whether connection oriented or connection less. Okay, in this video we are going to discuss about the application layer. So application layer, what is the responsibility of the application layer? How the you see how responsibility of application layer is how the application interfaces with how the application interface will communicate with the lower layer protocol to send the data over the network. You have data will be there in application layer, how this layer will send its data through all the layers, step by step, one by one layers. The data will be transferred to transport layer, network layer, link layer. From the link layer, it again goes for the other device. To the other device, again it starts with the link layer, network layer, transport layer, and the application layer. How this transformation happens, all will be responsible by the application layer. Okay, so here the data will be in the form of files, and these files are encoded by the applications using some protocols. This transport layer will encapsulate the file, and this file will be processed, and this will be transferred to the next layers. This is what the application layer will do. Okay, so we have different protocol for application layer. The protocols already have been heard already. Still, I will tell what are the uses of these protocol. Okay, we will start from the HTTP. HTTP is nothing but hypertext transfer protocol. This transfer protocol, it is the foundation for World Wide Web, WWO. It uses request and response model for transfer the data. The client will request for HTTP, server HTTP will transfer the accept or reject the request, and it will respond to that client server. Okay, this is the working methodology of HTTP. And next comes COAP, Constraint Application Protocol, which is designed for simple electronic device to communicate over the internet. Okay, this is machine to machine. It helps us to transfer data for machine to machine application. It is also the web protocol. This is also based on the request response model, but it runs with the help of UDP. It is connectionless, so which means it is UDP connectionless. So this protocol will be highly used for IoT. Okay, so that coming for the next protocol, WebSocket. It provides full duplex communication channel over the single TCP connection, useful for real-time web applications. So it is a full duplex. You can have the full duplex communication, and it uses TCP, connection oriented. Okay, this is also client and browser model. Here you can have this in mobile application and web application too. Okay, with this next protocol will be MQTT. This is message queuing telemetry transport. This is lightweight messaging protocol designed for small sensors and mobile devices, optimized for high latency or unreliable network. Okay, this uses the publish and subscriber model. So this publish subscriber model, client server model, and the detailed thing of these protocols will be discussed in the later part of the unit. Okay, here we can have the just overview of these protocols. That is more than enough for that physical design of IoT. Next comes XMPP. See, extensible messaging and presence protocol used for real real-time communication including messaging, presence, information and contactless maintenance. This will be high. This is what we are been using for instant messaging apps. All use this XMPP. WhatsApp, all the instant messaging apps has been using this XMPP. Okay, so this is used for real-time data communication, and it has to maintain the status and the contact list also. Okay, next protocol will be DDS, data distribution service. It's a middleware protocol and API standard for data-centric connectivity, aiming at the real-time, scalable and high performance MTM communication. So this is also one of the protocol which we can use highly. It is preferable for machine to machine communication, which means it can be used in used for IoT system. Last one was AMQP, advanced message queuing protocol, open standard application layer protocol for message oriented middleware. This is also highly recommended for IoT system. For IoT, maximum we will use COAP, MQTT and AMQP. These all protocols are highly used one. Okay, with this I will wind up my session. See you in the next session. Bye bye. See you.